What if I told you the most dangerous place in your kitchen isn't the stove or the knife drawer, but something you use every single day? For most American homes, the kitchen sink area, especially the sponge and cutting boards, is the biggest germ hotspot. It looks clean, but it's crawling with bacteria that can make your family sick. Why it's dangerous. Studies have found kitchen sponges can hold more bacteria than a toilet seat. They often contain E. coli and salmonella, especially after cleaning raw chicken or meat. Every rinse spreads germs from the sponge to your sink, counter, and even dishes. Real-life example. A mom in the U.S. prepped chicken, wiped the counter with a sponge, then sliced fruit for her kids. Same sponge. Result? Food poisoning and an ER visit. The solution. The danger isn't your kitchen. It's how we clean it. What to do instead? Replace sponges 1 to 2 weeks. Microwave a damp sponge for 1 minute. It kills most bacteria. Use separate cutting boards for meat and veggies. Let sponges dry completely between uses. Quick tips. Quick safety wins. Use paper towels for raw meat mess. Run cutting boards through the dishwasher. Never store sponge in the sink. Look at your sink right now. Would you trust that sponge? If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. It could prevent someone from getting seriously sick.